Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got this really cute chocolate brown wig. I have tried a chocolate kind of color like this before, and this time though it's with HD lace, so much better. And I personally don't feel like I installed it like how I would want to, and that's because I kind of like this install was kind of an experiment. I wanted to see if I could do this glueless, and this is the Bold Hold liquid gold, and that's all I used for this install. I usually use like my glues, either like Bold Hold or Ghost Bond and stuff like that, so I'm used to that, but this is just like the liquid gold one, so no glue, just gel. And I didn't have a blow dryer, which is like the dumbest thing you could do for a glueless install. I forgot it in the salon, but I think I was still able to make it work, so this was kind of like a trial kind of video, but yeah, I thought it was interesting and something different to try, and maybe you guys could use it because it actually worked pretty nice. You guys can see it wasn't like a totally different type of install for me, and I felt like a whole beginner, but I feel like I could definitely use this more often because it's actually pretty sturdy and not bad at all, so you guys can definitely use this. And if you're a beginner and everything, this would be a great way to start learning how to do wigs and get into glues and stuff. So enough of the install. This hair is from Asteria hair, and it is 24 inches long. You guys can see I didn't curl the ends because I liked the waves like that, and all I did was just curl the front just to make it kind of blend because I brushed it out, and I did bleach the knots by myself, not that much, you don't even have to because it's brown already, but the hair is really nice with HD lace as well, and a 13x4, but still a pretty nice 13x4. It goes like this deep, and I highly would recommend this wig if you want to like practice or something, because brown is easy to get away with like mistakes and stuff like that because it kind of looks like your skin and you kind of can't see like where you messed up. It just looks more melted if anything, but black wigs you can definitely see it and stuff like that. So yeah, highly recommend this wig. Feels nice and soft, nice and bouncy and everything. And yeah, if you guys want more information on this wig, I'll put everything in the description down below, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I did my wig cap a bit different. I just put the wig cap on like normal and then took a foundation shade that's a little darker and put it on like the band part right here, and that should be good. I'm gonna take this off pretty quick, so that's why. But here is the wig, and it's such a pretty color. I feel like I've tried this color before. You guys can see. And I forget what length they said. I'm pretty sure they said 24 inches because this is giving 24 or 26. But I'll put like the actual length in the description. Here it is, nice and bouncy. Seems pretty soft so far. The lace is nice and thin as well. Some good HD lace, and I bleached the knots and they bleach pretty well. And as for plucking, I've been into like not plucking as much recently, so I didn't really pluck it that much. You guys can see the lace. It looks really nice, so this should work out well, and it's nice and full. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Now I'm just gonna put my foundation shade on the lace and not all over the wig cap. You want this part to help you look like scalp, so I'm just gonna put some on here, and then I'll be back for the gluing part. Alright, so here's what it's looking like so far, and it fits really nice. Like, it goes all the way down here, so that's awesome. And I'm just gonna clip the hair back, and now I'm just gonna make some marks, like exactly where I want the hairline to start and stuff. It's so annoying. I think I like scratched myself too hard. Do you guys see this right here? I think I scratched myself really hard with my last install, like when I was doing the baby hairs, because it's literally right where my baby hairs are, and the skin is kind of rough there, so I just have to be more careful this time and not be as aggressive, I guess. Just gonna brush everything back, and now I'm just gonna make some dots. So now I'm just going to clean that area with some alcohol. Okay, so now for this install, I don't have my blow dryer, so I hope this works. I think it should work because sometimes when I let this air dry, it does exactly what it needs to do. So I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I'm just a little worried about using some glue right now, especially with these two areas being a little dark and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold and it should be good. I'm just going to tie it down and let's hope that works. If not, I can always just add some glue later. Alright, and let's just go little by little. This stuff is pretty runny. But it does have a strong hold. Like, I've tried it on some clients before and I was pretty shocked. And I feel like I can put this all over my hair too, because it comes off with water. Like, all I have to do is just wash it and it should come right off. Maybe I'll put one more layer. It's my first time using this stuff, so I'm kind of winging it. I mean, first time using it on myself without a blow dryer. I feel like if I wait for it to get tacky, it should be perfectly fine. So now I'm just gonna wait for it to get tacky and hopefully it works. Okay, I think it's good. I just don't want it to dry before it's like not sticky anymore, so let's try this out. It's so weird because I'm not gonna feel like a grip. I think it's sticking because it feels stuck for the most part. Okay, let's try that. And I have the Asteria melting band. I feel like this should do the trick. I feel like a beginner or something, oh my gosh. Okay, and now we wait. Okay, and I'll be back to remove this in about like 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if I made a mistake or if I did some. Uh-oh. I don't like when stuff. Ooh. Okay. I think it's stuck. Let's cut the lace and we'll go from there, but so far I think it's okay. Let me just cut the lace. Or let me first move this back. I think it's a little far back, but it's okay. It is okay. Oh, I think we're good. I'm actually surprised because I was gonna say I think I should have probably cut the lace before, because with Got To Be, I feel like if you spray it down before cutting the lace and then you cut the lace, it leaves like white like castings on your lace, but this isn't doing that. So that's great. And I literally just wanted this on for like a day or two, so. Oh my gosh, this is making my forehead look even bigger because it's brown. Okay, it's on. That's the good part. Just gonna remove these dots. Alright. Not bad at all. We're just gonna unstick some of the hair. Maybe I should have taken the baby hairs out at first. Okay, I actually don't think I did that bad. And all I did was, there was like a little bit of lifting, so I just took some of my glue and like the very tip of the comb and just put a little bit, and this is how it's looking so far. I could literally leave this like this. Now I get it. I get how people do like the everyday like switching their wigs. Like if you want something quick and easy, like you can't really, it doesn't look that bad honestly. Like this part, it looks like it's growing out of my hair type thing. But you know me, I can't just leave it like this. Even though this texture is really nice, and it's so hard to get like a nice like wave like this after. I'm thinking if I should leave it like this. Ooh. I think I'll do the baby hairs and maybe just curl the front. Because look at it. Not bad, honestly. But let me get some baby hairs out because I definitely need some. This part I feel like is going to be a little challenging. But let's see. Take my hot comb. I feel like I kind of have to make the baby hairs a bit bigger to get away with this. And I think it's working. It's actually working. Wow. It's just annoying because most of the hair is stuck like back. That was my fault. And I'm going to pluck them a little bit, but it's not that bad, honestly. I think I could get away with just doing this. Okay, now I'm going to cut them and then lay them with some mousse. Now I hope the mousse doesn't lift any of our work so far, but I'm gonna apply some mousse. And this is the Lotta Body mousse. And I have to be careful because my skin right here is a little sensitive. Okay. Not bad. This is so weird because I'm not like confident in what I'm doing right now, and I usually am. And we're gonna wrap it once again. I feel like brown wig installs look better as like a side part, so I'm gonna make it all go to one side. I don't think it needs to be too flat. I'm just gonna focus on this part mostly. And I never do this side. I don't know, I like this side better, so we're probably just gonna stick with that side. And I'm using my Home Foo, that's what it's called. What's it called? Hot comb. It goes really nice and flat, so that's good. You see how it's giving scalp? It's because we put the wig cap underneath and didn't put anything on it. I don't know, I feel like that technique works better, but I see other stylists doing it in a different way. I guess there's a time and place for each technique. I think I'm only gonna curl the top because I like the waves in the like this part. But first I want to make sure the parting is in the right spot, so before we do that, I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'll be back for styling. Okay, should be good now. Ooh, stuck. Okay, maybe the other way. Whoa. Whoa. Why is this actually not bad at all? Oh my gosh, especially for winging this experiment, this is not bad at all. Something I can work with. Look at that. I'm just gonna take off what I want taken off. It's too much hair over here. Yeah, it's not bad. I think I might have like over bleached, so if I fix it up with some foundation and stuff like that, it's gonna look perfect. I don't know what's making it like clump together. Kind of weird. Okay. It's not bad, right, guys? I think. I'm just confused as to why this mousse is so hard. It's never like this with my other installs. It's probably like mixed with the other product. Okay, that's good for that. And now I'm just gonna style the hair. Okay, so this is what we're working with, and actually not bad at all. I'm definitely gonna use this technique for whenever I want to do like quick installs. And now for styling, I'm gonna start off with the Silk Elements Mega Silk Heat Protectant, and I'm only gonna curl the top, really, like the frontal part, because I like the waves. You guys can see the waves. It's gonna be kind of the same look anyways, so I just wanted this part to be done well. And so all I'm gonna do, put that away, is kind of just make big sections and curl them so I can get a similar type of wave look. And this is my Hot Shot Tools curling iron. I want to do something else with this wig, like a ponytail type of look, but I'll see. Like, this is not the final look that I wanted to do, but I just don't have that much time. And you want to curl back to get like that swoop kind of curtain bang thing. Like that. And then I'll do one more over here. The hair is like, it's still pretty thick, but it feels like soft and thinner, like low density, even though it's thick. It's weird. Not bad though, it just feels like super light. Ow. Ooh. Okay, it just feels super light and not like heavy. Maybe I'm just used to like the last hair I had, which was huge as hell. Perfect. Yeah, that's the kind of vibe I was going for. This is so cute. The curls really helped what I was doing, or attempting to do. But man. So even if this was like this short, it would have been so cute, but it's still pretty long. And you see how like I didn't have to curl the ends? It works perfectly. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna look closer and see what else I have to fix. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I love how it's making my skin look like, I think it's the color, I'm not sure, but this is it, and so cute. And I actually think that technique worked. All I used was this pretty much, and it did the trick. This is good for like if you guys just want to wear a wig for a day or just like, you know, a couple days or something like that and take it off. I would highly recommend doing this, but please have a blow dryer. Don't do what I did. And the hair itself is nice and soft. I feel like this hair is gonna stay pretty soft because there's no like tangles or anything. Like, it feels unusually soft, but it's really, really nice. And I can't wait to rock it for the next couple of days. And yeah, if you guys want details of this hair, I'll put everything in the description down below. And if you guys did enjoy, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!